Check out this 2018 Kia Niro LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, daytime running lights and dust-sensing headlights. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.